Hello and welcome to Cargo Shots from the Stat Trade Times, powered by Group Concorde. Here's our pick of the best news shots that made the headlines this week.
Let's look at the week's top stories. KKR is making an additional commitment of $1.15 billion to expand its global portfolio of leased commercial aircraft in partnership with Altavair. KKR has deployed and committed $1.7 billion since forming a partnership with Altavair, buying an interest in the company in 2018 and acquiring more than 90 commercial and freighter aircraft. The development follows Altavair's announcement in October 2022 regarding the signing of a definite agreement to lease 10 Airbus A330-300 aircraft to Amazon Air, following conversions by EFW. The aircraft are owned by funds and accounts managed by KKR, with Altavair acting as the lease servicer. The first of the A330 freighters will be placed in service with Amazon Air in late 2023. Flexport has decided to retrench 20% of its global workforce with immediate effect and departure support varying by geography, according to a note by co-CEOs Dave Clark and Ryan Peterson. Lower volumes combined with improved efficiencies as a result of new organizational and operational structures means we are overstaffed in a variety of roles across the company, the note says. At Flexport, 2023 is going to bring extraordinary velocity. We are in process of doubling our software engineering talent and moving to single-threaded business organizations to build world-class products faster. We will continue to invest in delivering best-in-class operational execution for our customers, the note added. Flexport recently hired former Microsoft and Amazon executive Teresa Carlson as President and Chief Commercial Officer. As a member of the Flexport executive leadership team, Carlson will report to Clark. Flexport raised $935 million at a valuation of $8 billion in February 2022. Flexport more than doubled revenue to $3.2 billion in 2021 and grew to almost 2,700 employees across 23 offices worldwide. Freightos reported total transactions booked across the platform in 2022 at 668,000, an increase of 154% compared to 2021. Gross booking value, or GBV, almost doubled to $611 million in 2022 compared to 2021. A record 211,000 transactions were booked on the platform in fourth quarter of 2022, up from 97,000 in quarter 4 of 2021 and 22,000 in quarter 4 of 2020. The growth, according to Freightos, was supported by an increase in board demand, user bookings across the platform, and supply, with more carriers offering services on the platform. Freightos plan to issue financial numbers for full year 2022 and fourth quarter of 2022 before the end of April 2023. Boeing delivered 44 new production freighters in 2022 compared to 41 in 2021 to customers ranging from Merck's Aviation, Atlas Air, FedEx and UPS. While FedEx Express bought 13 767-300 freighters and 2 777 freighters, UPS acquired 2 747-8 freighters in February and April, while Merck's bought 3 767-330 freighters in 2022. DHL Aviation and Emirates acquired 4 and 2 777 freighters respectively. Airbus reported orders for 24 A350 freighters out of the total orders for 44 A350s in 2022. Airbus delivered 661 commercial aircraft in 2022 and Boeing reported deliveries of 480 airplanes. Nebraska's Governor-elect Jim Pellin, Lincoln Airport Authority and Burrell Aviation, a division of the Burrell Group, announced a $65 million development at Lincoln Airport, Nebraska, with a groundbreaking ceremony set for some time during the first quarter this year. Burrell Aviation will invest and develop the site's facilities and secure anchor tenants interested in making Lincoln Airport a critical hub for air cargo and other aviation-related activities. As part of its invest, develop and operate strategy, Burrell Aviation will oversee the completion of 210,000 square feet of cargo facilities at the airport in the form of next-generation aviation-based infrastructure. Atlas Air will take delivery of the last Boeing 747-8 production freighter later this month. The freighter will have livery of both Atlas as well as its customer Apex Logistics, a forwarding company that Kuehne+Nagel acquired in 2022 for $1.5 billion. Air Atlas has acquired 3 of the last 4 747-8 production freighters in 2022, with deliveries in May, October and November 2022. Atlas will be flying 2 of the 4 freighters for its customer Kuehne+Nagel. Kuehne+Nagel has put into operations its first Boeing 747-8 freighter as part of the long-term charter agreement with Atlas Air. And it's a wrap-up for this week's episode. You can read more on all of these stories at stattimes.com. Make sure to check back next Friday for the news that you need to know to end the week. Wishing you a great weekend ahead and do take good care.
For the latest news on air freight, visit our website. Follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our weekly newsletter. Give our YouTube channel a visit and subscribe to access our past webinars and virtual conferences and access exclusive one-on-one interviews with global logistics leaders. Thank you for tuning in to Cargo Shots by the Start Times, powered by Group Concorde. See you next week with a fresh roundup of cargo news makers.